Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 44. First of all, we will create this cube, and after we will use the extruded cut and create this cutout. And before that, we need to create one surface over here. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select new, select part and apply OK. Now select top plane and go to sketch. Select center rectangle and draw one. And this length is 100 and this length is 75. Okay, 75. Apply OK. Go to feature, select extruded boss, and it is 55. Apply OK. Now go to sketch and select the 3D sketch. Now select the line command. We need to draw line on this surface. So select this edge and select the tab. So you get the coordinate system for this surface. So now we have, so draw one line like that and select. Now select this point and select this plane and select on plane. Now select smart dimension, select this one and select this edge. This distance is 20 mm and this distance is 45, and wait, okay, select this point and this edge, and this distance is 20. Now our line is fully constrained. Now again select the line command and draw line from here. Make sure we need to draw the line on this surface. So select the tab. So now we have a coordinate system for this surface. So draw line like that. Now select this point and select this face and make on plane. Now select smart dimension and this distance is 15 mm and this distance is 45. Apply OK. Now select again line and draw one line from here. Make sure the coordinate system is like that, it is XY. Okay, so again select the line and draw a line like that. Make sure it is XY plane. Okay, select. Now select smart dimension and distance from here, it is, sorry, not this one, select this face. Okay, so it is 20 mm. Apply OK. And distance from this plane, it is 15, and distance from this plane, it is 25. Now our line is fully constrained. Now again select the line and draw line to join these 2 points. Apply OK. Now exit the sketch. Now go to surfaces and here select the filled surface and select this one and apply OK. Now select this plane and go to sketch, and now select the convert entities and here select this sketch and apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded cut. Here select up to surface and select this surface and apply OK. And now just hide this surface. Now our exercise is completed. Let's apply appearance to it. Select the body and select this one. And this is our isometric view. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.